Hey, I don't need your directives. I'm not committing a crime. Stay away from me.
No.
Don't walk towards me. Stay away from me.
No.
You don't get to pick where I stand in public, buddy. Get away from me.
I don't know that I'm going to search you for weapons. I don't know.
Oh, get away from me, you coward.
Just go down
You
there.
coward. You ain't going to search me for nothing, buddy.
You can tape, but go down the
You don't tell me where to go, Streeback. Get away from me. Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Always Film the Police. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's video took place on December 22nd, 2021, and it involves the Griffin Police Department and Officer Stryback. The auditor stopped when he saw a traffic stop in progress, and he calmly walked up on a public sidewalk and started filming the traffic stop. After a few seconds, Officer Stryback confronts the auditor. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, I don't need your directives. I'm not committing a crime. Stay away from me.
No.
Don't walk towards me. Stay away from me.
No.
You don't get to pick where I stand in public, buddy. Get away from me.
I don't know that I'm going to search you for weapons. I don't know.
Oh, get away from me, you coward.
Just go down there.
You coward. You ain't going to search me for nothing, buddy.
You can tape, but go down the
You don't tell me where to go, Streeback. Get away from me. Go over there with your buddy. You see how he's smart enough not to say nothing to me? You see how he's smart enough not to say nothing to me? But you're dumb enough too, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
Actually just back
You don't
up.
have to ask me nothing. Back up, man.
No, I'm going to stand right here.
Good.
I can see you.
Stand right there. I mean no ill will or intent towards you. Go do your job.
Okay, I just asked you to step away.
I don't care what you asked. It's not a law, buddy. Is that a law? You're a law enforcement, aren't you? Thank you.
I don't know what you are doing or planning to do or not.
I'm standing here with the camera in my hand, genius.
Well, I can stand here just as you can stand there then.
Yeah, well, I didn't say you couldn't stand there. I didn't try to tell you to go somewhere like you did me. Yes. Yeah, I got freedom of speech too, by the way, buddy. Yeah, I know you know, and you look at your disdain towards me because you can't stand it.
No, it's because
Yeah.
it's proper, that's all.
Proper would have been leave me alone when I walk up to you. That's what have been proper. That's why the public can't stand you scumbags. Always trying to tell people what lawfully they can and can't do.
I said you could tape, just scoot it down.
I don't need your permission though. That's where you're wrong. Giving me permission to tape, I don't need it from you. The Constitution of this great place gives it to me.
So, hey, here's another law in Indiana. I'm not yelling at you. I'm asking you to quiet down. Stop screaming and yelling.
Bud, I can protest anywhere I want and be as loud as I want.
You're right, you can protest.
Exactly. So let's be quiet now, sir.
Okay, stop screaming and yelling.
Number 63.
Stop
This is my normal voice, buddy.
Okay.
This is my normal voice. The disdain and contempt this officer has for the general public is very sad to see. If this officer is not doing anything wrong at all, he should not be scared of the auditor. But instead of focusing on the traffic stop, he started trying to insert control over the auditor. Many officers in this country do this exact same thing on a daily basis. It will be an amazing day when actual police reform does happen. So this is Officer Streebeck, number 63. He's from Griffith.
Do not walk up.
He's a moron.
Do
Then
not
we got
walk up
number
on-
9.
Giving you a legal lawful directive. Do not walk up on these laws.
We got number 63. This is his car. He's a K9. Got number 8. What's your name and badge number?
Okay, if they can just
Let's get somebody with a license.
I already know who you are. You don't need to identify yourself.
Just don't walk up on us. I'm not telling you again. Don't walk up on us.
Notice how this guy's not saying nothing to me?
He's on the radio,
He's
man.
not saying nothing to me, bro. But you keep on talking. I know you're not. I would never be a pig.
Okay, that's fine.
Never in my life.
You're very disrespectful for no good reason.
So are you by telling me what to do as soon as I walked up. You should have shut your mouth. You should have shut your mouth and you wouldn't have had this.
All right, man. Just keep walking.
I'm going to stand right here, buddy.
You don't walk up on us. I don't know anything about you. Don't.
You're a coward, dude. You shouldn't be a police officer if you're scared of people walking up on you. Coward. You're going to be all over the internet in about an hour, buddy. What a coward, man. This is what our tax money pays for? Don't walk up on me. Don't walk up on me.
Ultimately, there is no further interaction between the officer and the auditor. The driver was arrested for an unknown reason and the car was towed. This video shows why all Americans should pick up a camera and always film the police. Because without any type of oversight or accountability, no real change will actually take place in the police departments across the country. Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Always Film the Police YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there. Before we break down this footage, I want to take a moment and talk to you about We the People University. If you haven't heard about this online course, I want to let you in on a little secret. Its sole purpose is to train you to know what it takes to make sure you are not unfairly treated by the police ever again. Who better to teach you what to do when the police try to search you or your property illegally or violate any of your constitutional rights than former police officer and sheriff's deputy Abiyah Israel. Learning your basic rights is an easy process. The only thing it takes is you being willing to learn. Do you want to learn all the trick questions that police ask during a traffic stop? Do you want to take back control from the police? If so, please click on the link in the description below. You will learn the secret of taking control of your constitutional rights back from the tyrants who abuse the law.